What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and I just want to let you guys know that today we're gonna film the first cinematic video for the channel, and I'm super excited and I hope you guys enjoy it. Peace. Got here with to my friend's house. He's actually like a cousin. He's my cousin. And this is the car we're gonna feature today. That's sexy. You see more of it on my video, and yeah, I hope you guys tune into that. What's up, guys? We're up here at Bonnet Hills, and we're filming with this car, and we're with my cousin too. So what's up? Instagram. What's your Instagram? AE86. Okay, I'll link it in the description. You'll probably see it here anyways. But yeah, we're gonna film this car today and try to get a nice cinematic feature for it. Guys, we just finished filming the little feature, parking all the cars, and super excited. Hopefully it's gonna be amazing. Hopefully you guys like it. Right now we're gonna work on his Jblood hood and do a little fiberglass work. All right, guys, so here we have it. Both hoods, both bonnets. This is the Jblood style bonnet, Jblood style hood, the OEM hood. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna fix these edges there. You see this? This edge right here is cracked. So we're gonna mimic here, these two. We're gonna mold this one and then add it to this one. Let's go. Okay, it's getting a little later in the day. The sun's going down, but we did a little fiberglass repair on all these little sections here. just a aftermarket hood. So we're repairing this, and we're gonna be working on this a little bit as well. This S14 fender. These pieces have cured. We're gonna rip them off soon and measure and cut, and we should be good. Alright guys, so we're gonna peel this and see if it looks good. I think it's fully cured, but hopefully it is. We're hoping that it pops off.
Oh,
I don't know if it's fully cured.
Wait for it. Oh, that's okay. Yeah, that's perfect. Oh yeah, that's legit. Yeah.
That's what we want. But it's not as hard as it should be though.
No, that's perfect because then you could move it around and then cut this with the scissors.
Okay.
That way you can still cut it with scissors. Legitness. That's how dramatic that shit is, bro. Now we got ourselves some cat ears.
Yeah.
Make some cute costumes.
That's it.
Looks good. It's okay. It's perfect. Yeah, that's good enough because you probably still add more resin to it to make it fit better. Your boombox? Oh yeah. Wait, I thought it was the other side.
Nope, because it flips.
Oh, that's what you were doing? Oh, you were saying backside, bro.
What? No, I'm just showing.
That's what you were doing? I was wondering why you guys have fiberglass.
That
looks good, man. It's gonna look good, guys.
Measure it.
We did already.
So I'm gonna
bro.
cut it.
Measure every, bro.
I'm gonna fill this with like 3 layers of fiberglass. I'm gonna cut this like this to fit perfectly in there.
Oh,
It'll
so this
fit
could be
there,
next.
and then we'll build it off.
Then you bond on top, yeah.
Maybe we can even use this on top. Maybe we should just use it on top. Huh?
Yeah, that's cool, dude. Yeah, just do that.
No, but it's gonna be a layer on top.
It don't matter.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, true. It doesn't stick
And then you're gonna have to like sand it.
Oh, that's true.
You want that to be like
on the bottom. Yeah.
bottom.
Stick to the original plan.
So you do bond with the top. Go for it.
Damn, your head's shiny, bro. Oh, you're not gonna measure?
Get you in the vicinity.
YouTuber mechanic, YouTuber certified.
So it's what was it again? 40.
Number one fucking hater right here, guys. Number one fucking hater. Oh damn, don't step on these. These are some legit D-Max fenders for the S14. Hey, just cut it in half. Just cut it in half, bro. It's so mad. You know how long we waited for this to dry? What the hell? It's alright.
Alright dudes, check this out. This is the corner that we did.
I wasn't even recording.
So we lined it up and we're gonna fill this back up with fiberglass. We've already shaved this down so that exposed the fiberglass underneath is exposed. And this is the back side. So I mean, it needs a lot of touch-up work. But
my vlog, bro.
I know. Get your own damn vlog. Get your own damn content.
Yeah, I try to have you explain it, but
Alright guys, so it's been a long day. It's already nighttime out there, you see that? We finished the corners. Tu will cut this later and he'll trim all that. After it dries, he'll sand it back down. He's gonna sand this whole hood. He's gonna bondo it, light bondo, and then straighten it all out. I mean, flatten it all out. Then he's gonna paint it to match his car. So, just wait for it to cure. See how the lines come out all the way over here, coming through here. He'll trim that later. And we already tried it on the car. If it's good, he's gonna have to actually sand this down a lot, but we wanted to build it up so that we can sand it down. Look at this, beautiful. So what do you think? How do you like it?
it's good.
Looks good? You happy with it? Yeah, no worries. Yeah, I'm glad you like it. What do you think about this? Yeah, dude.
It's good.
It's good.
It doesn't look as great as the end result's gonna be.
Yeah, the end result's gonna be good. So he bought the hood with it's already messed up. Straight from Japan. Straight from Jblood replica store. So yep, should be good.